Hi, my name's Adam. This song is Shotgun by George Ezra, and it's a mashup with John Stevens, Reach Out.
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Something changed in the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like I'm someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like I'm someone. Oh, we're south of the equator, navigator. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Deep sea diving around the cloud, bikini bottoms, logger top. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like I'm someone. Oh yeah, I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like I'm someone. Oh yeah, we got two in the front, two in the back, sailing along, 'cause we don't look back, back, back. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like I'm someone. Oh yeah, I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like I'm someone. Shotgun underneath the hot sun.